don't know. You try 1.5 miles to Edinburgh.
Carrying it? Yep.
Stand it on there. Yeah, hold on. I'm going to clamp it down.
Oh, that's a good idea, yeah. Model name, C5. Hosting.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it to be that loud.
Really? Well, yeah, that was quite surprising to me, to be honest, as well.
So, those two wires, those need to feed. I'm just going to voltmeter. We'll just quickly flick it on, and I'll see if there's 12 volts comes out of those.
Oh yeah.
Okay, yep.
That's oh no, that's the brake valve. That's to stop it. I forgot. Yeah.
Yeah, it has a brake
It's
mechanism
got
as well.
a brake mechanism.
Just a
inside
solenoid,
it, so
yeah.
It just stops it dead.
Not dead, it just...
Well,
a lot quicker.
Winds it down
Yeah.
much quicker, yeah. But heavens, I thought that was something. It
I
went
know,
quite
yeah.
well, didn't it?
Oh, went very well, yeah.
Oh, what a noise!
I mean,
Yeah.
those ambulances must have been noisy when they went past.
Yep. Oh dear. That was brilliant.
Hey, it works then.
Yeah.
The guy wasn't lying.
Yep.
Do it again.
I mean...
I don't know, I'm a bit scared.
Yeah.
I don't
Oh,
annoy
dear.
people on a Saturday.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh no! Hang on, wait. I want to stop this one. Just to... Yeah. It's unbelievable how instant that wind-up is. It just right up there, quick as anything. That's only 12 off.
Yeah.
Not even a mains one.
I know, yeah.
So how does that compare to your great big thing up the road?
Nowhere near as loud, must say.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Big one's much louder than that.
Far louder, yeah.
God.
Oh, dear.
That is pretty. That's probably your second loudest.
I'd say so, yeah. Definitely beats the hand cranked one. I think the hand cranked one's bigger, but you can't get as much sort
No,
of...
you can't get the speed on
much
it.
off.
That's
Yeah. Oh, lovely.
Well, there we are.
Yeah.
So, I think what's happening with your big one now? Is he?
Big one. We're going to try and get the a more heavy duty switch so we can get the overload sorted out. And Then after that, we're going to do it properly, and then probably bring it back here.
Yeah.
Oh, there we are.
Goes dim.
Yep.
Oh. There
Lovely.
you go, the light works.
Lovely.
Put the 12 volts on it, it'll be bright.
Yep.